sail tie. I'll tie this thing up.
Different one. But down at McGill for Gasparilla? No, it's taking rides on the street. Wherever they are. It's doing so it's got a little track right down the coastline here. Yeah. So we'll be seeing them. Alright. I'm gonna have to drive in here. It's a real long course, so it's gonna be pretty quick. Doing the windward mark, right? We're going to be the leeward mark. Dennis is the windward mark. Who was asking?
That was Chad.
That was Chad. He's leeward. Okay. Got a longer fetch over here. Pick up some waves over here.
That's 6 knots or 6 miles an hour? Wow. Not bad.
They're saying that it might taper off a little bit, but I don't think so. I think it's going to stay like this or even maybe pick up a little bit. So I wonder what's doing that. Head over that way. See jives. I think with the number 2 we're going to be just fine.
Little wing, come in. Little wing, come in. Wing. You're over the windward mark, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
I'm going to move a little bit to the north and then we'll drop one of the leeward marks and then Chad, you got the other one. Get it going. You going to be on that side of the island? Anytime you're ready, Dave.
Alright, hang on. You don't want me to splash it this time like I usually do? Alright, we're off. Usually it's like a hand grenade. That's good right there, right? Should have dropped it before.
Yeah, he needs a little more room. 5 boats. He's got to come back up now and do it.
Right, the wind's coming this way.
Right about there, we dropped it. It's a little. Needs to go a little east. And we It's gonna be pretty close.
Maybe it is dropped. There you go. I think it did drop.
Pretty close. Alright, Dennis.
No, he didn't drop it.
Do you have a horn? Hey, girl, fire, looks good. We don't have a timer.
Yeah, we do.
Timers or stopwatches or whatever. You know, it might have just lightened up a little bit there. Yeah, might have just lightened up a little bit. Hey, we gotta throw the number one up. Can't imagine that'll last. We got a cloud. Okay, it looks like Lori might have a small jib up. Maybe. It's probably a good idea. I can't remember if he's got a. I don't think he has a small jib. I think he's got a roller purling. Oh, he's got it rolled a little bit. Yeah.
Keep an eye on him.
Darn clear air policies. Can't see any smoke coming out of the cockpit. See where the wind's going, but.
There's a, I think the sail tie's still up there.
It's when you start
Yeah.
seeking.
Okay.
It's died down a little. Looks like it might have. Oh, he's probably He's gonna get wet. I saw that. We are gonna get wet. Is everybody ready? We start this